In this situation, we are back in the bakery area of the store, and we need to get a pan full of bread from the bottom shelf of a bread rack. Even though this safety talk takes place in the bakery department, this is applicable to most of the food prep departments in the store because this kind of rack is very common. A big mistake people often make when performing this task is that they will approach the load with a narrow stance, bend over at the waist, and lift using the back. Although the load is not the heaviest thing we might pick up, it is the combined weight of the load and the upper body that will cause strain and sprain injuries. We need to remember also that it isn't the one time we use a back lift that will leave us injured. It's the hundreds of times over weeks, months, and even years. Luckily, there is a simple and easy way to take out the back lift and replace it with the power lift. First, as we approach the load, we need to use our last step to put ourselves into the wide power lift stance. In this instance, we need room to pull the tray out, so we will angle our stance diagonally from the corner of the rack. Once you have your stance set, you can bend down with your knees and pull the tray between your legs and feet. Now that you have it out, lift the load straight up, and as it comes up, rotate the load so that it sits horizontal to your body. Let's see that again. As you approach the load, use your last step to put you into the wide power lift stance that is positioned diagonally from the corner of the rack. Bend down using your knees and a straight back to grip the load and pull the pan straight to you, placing it between your legs and feet. Finally, lift the load straight up. To put the pan back, you'll simply need to do the opposite of what you did to take it out. If you use this technique, you will make yourself stronger when you're lifting these kinds of materials, and you'll be less tired and sore at the end of your shift.